If your Samsung is trapped in lost mode, let's get it back. If you've recovered the device but can't remember the credentials, sign into the Samsung account that enabled it, often through the Find My Mobile website. Tap Lost Mode. Then you can enter your new PIN and tap Lock. Enter your Samsung account password to confirm your identity and tap OK. Now you can use your new PIN to exit lost mode. One effective method involves using MagFone Android Unlocker. Its screen lock removal feature is designed to wipe out these locks instantly. Taking Samsung as an example. Once you open the tool, it walks you through powering the device down by holding power and volume down. Then bringing it into recovery by holding power and volume up until the Samsung logo appears. When the recovery screen loads, you simply navigate with the volume keys to Wipe Data or Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Follow it by selecting Yes. Clear the cache with Wipe Cache Partition. And finish the process with Reboot System Now, allowing the device to restart without the previous lock.